November 9th. Good afternoon. It's been a different day for us today because we're having a lot of soil now. I don't know if you remember, but I showed you this old wood bridge. It's falling apart and we are gonna make a detour there. These guys are working there all day long and we're helping them because everybody uses this bridge to go to the river and take sand. This is it. Old rusty truck, and there is our truck. It's gonna be 2 or 3 videos. I am not going to cut this video, but I'm gonna edit them because I'll be putting them together so I can show you the detour and the braid over there. This is it. Here we are. This is the braid I told you about. We are making a detour because the braid is falling apart. I'm about to unload now the truck over there. As you can see, instead of going through here, we are going there. Right over there that I load my truck. It's going to be another way instead of using this old bridge. This is it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.